Have you ever wondered if someone is secretly using your Google account without you knowing? They don't need to change your password and you might not even get a warning. But don't worry. Today, I will show you how to check your account. Find any unknown devices and remove them in less than 1 minute. Make sure you watch until the end because the last step is the one most people forget. Step 1. Check logged in devices. Open your Gmail, click on your profile picture, click on Manage My Google Account, click on Security and Sign In. Scroll down a bit, click on Google Prompt, allow it to load. So at this point, you will see how many phones that are logged into your Google account. Click on Manage Devices. Here you see every phone, tablet, or computer signed into your Google account. If you see a device you don't recognize, tap it and select Sign Out immediately. Guys, this is the fastest way to remove someone from your account. Step 2. Check recent security activity. Stay on Security page. Just click here to search for security activity. Now click on Recent Security Activity. Here it said no security activity alert in the last 28 days. If there is any, you will see recent signing in attempts, device name and locations. In that case, if you notice device or location you don't recognize, tap Secure Account to follow the instructions. Step 3. Remove apps you don't use. Still on Security page, just tap Linked Apps. You see apps that can access your Google account. If you don't recognize an app or no longer use it, remove it. This helps protect your personal information. Step 4. Turn on two-step verification. This is the most important page. On a security page, tap two-step verification. Allow it to load. If it's not turned on, enable it. Google will use Google Prompt, which sends a notification to your phone every time someone is trying to sign in. If it is you click yes. If it's not you click no. And Google will block in the sign-in attempt. Also, check the devices that are allowed to receive Google Prompt notifications. If you see a device you don't recognize, remove it immediately. And that is it. Your Google account is now much safer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, follow and share it with your friends so they can protect their account too. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Peace out.